If you're trying to become a profitable trader by copying other people's trades, watching random YouTube videos, or jumping from strategy to strategy, I need to tell you something that might be hard for you to hear. You're setting yourself up for failure, and here's why.
Most aspiring traders think success comes from finding the perfect strategy or just simply copying what the millionaire traders do. But here's the brutal truth. What works for one trader might destroy another. Why? Because every trader has their own unique psychological and strategic kind of profile or characteristic, and that kind of characteristic will determine whether you can make money with a certain strategy or whether you'll lose money with a certain strategy.
Think about it. Why do two traders using the exact same strategy get completely different results? One makes $50,000 in 6 months while the other blows up their account. It's not luck, it's not experience, it's compatibility with their natural trading style.
Here are the 3 fatal mistakes that 97% of traders make. The first one is strategy hopping, jumping from one proven system to another without understanding that it matches their psychological profile. Second, cookie cutter copying, trying to trade exactly like someone else without considering their own risk tolerance and their own decision-making style. Third is blind faith trading, entering trades without the understanding why a particular setup works for their specific personality type.
This is why 97% of traders lose money. They're fighting against their natural strengths versus leveraging them.
Here's what the profitable 3% do differently. They discover their natural trading style first, then build their entire approach around it. Your trading personality consists of 5 critical components: how you naturally handle pressure and uncertainty, whether you're a quick fire trader or a deliberate analyzer, which market conditions align with your natural rhythms, how much money you need to see consistent results, and how do you naturally take profits and cut losses.
Once you understand these 5 elements, everything changes. Instead of fighting the market, you start working with your natural tendencies.
Why don't other methods work? Well, most general trading courses teach a kind of one-size-fits-all approach that ignores the individual's psychology. These copy trading or alert chasing services assume everyone has the same risk tolerance or emotional makeup. Trial and error approach can waste almost years of your time and of course thousands of your dollars with incompatible strategies.
The problem with all these methods, they treat every trader the same. But profitable trading isn't about following someone else's blueprint. It's about discovering and optimizing your unique blueprint.
And that's why we created this qualification process. It's the only way to identify if you're ready for our advanced programs and which specific approach will work best for your personality type. This isn't some generic assessment. This is based on analyzing over 10,000 trader profiles and $6 million in verified trading results from our community.
So here's exactly what happens when you complete our qualification process. 1, you'll discover if you're ready for our elite level training programs. 2, you'll get matched with a specific psychological makeup that maybe fits your process better. 3, you're going to learn about your optimal risk management style. 4, you'll find out when you can realistically start seeing some profitability in your trading. And lastly, you'll get a very honest assessment of which kind of program is best fit for you.
Based on your answers, you'll either qualify for our exclusive 4-leaf Clover membership for advanced traders, or you'll get our Foundation Accelerator program for developing traders. Either way, you'll walk away with a clear path forward that's designed specifically for your trading type.
The bottom line is this: you can spend the next 2 to 3 years trying random strategies and losing money, or you can take 60 seconds right now to see if you qualify for our proven programs and get matched with the right approach that's scientifically designed to work for your specific profile.
So click the button below and start your qualification process right now. It takes less than 60 seconds and you'll get your results instantly. Don't spend another day trading blind. Find out if this is for you right now.